Oh, you guys just passed out. I don't know why it does that sometimes. Just sometimes it doesn't stick. There it goes. Oh, Prism last. Okay, we'll do all the Anthology packs, the Cut Auto, and then the Prism pack. See if we can get him his gold Kessel. That'd be an epic pull. Alright, here we go. Dark Wolf, I love it. This is for mnum. He's going to do a box of Anthology and a box of the Signa-Cuts Platinum. Mike Richards, Cup Contenders. Pavel Datsyuk for Detroit, Lords of the NHL jersey. Ryan Miller, Vizina. What's up, Card Planet? Here we go. Great Outdoors of Saku Koivu. And number to 499, level 2, Chet Picard. Rookie Treasures. What's up, Johnny? Yammer Yager, Heart Contenders to $9.99. Next, Metallic Marks Bronze of Nino Niederreiter. 86, I believe, on a full spot in Draft Prospects. It's a random hit style, so you're guaranteed hits. I think you might have a luxury suite here. Dalton Pruitt, $9.99. For Philly, nice. Man, that's disgusting. Bernie Parent stick, and it's coming out. Like, it's fatty right there. And here's another fatty. What do we got in here? We already had your Rookie Treasure. Next, nice two-color patch number to 25, Antti Niemi. Antti Niemi, 25, two-color game-worn gear patch. Yvonne Cornway, Contenders Legacies. And Andrew Cogliano, game-worn gear jersey for the Ducks. We'll do your cuts and then we'll do your prism. So, Signa-Cuts Platinum, box number 362 out of 1,080. Here you go. What we got going on here? Number 2 of 10, Hall of Famer in 1972. 1959 Cy Young and 8-time All-Star. Early win. Very nice. Early win autograph, number 2 of 10. Very nice. And your prism pack. Teemu Selanne base. Riley Smith rookie, and a Matt Watkins Prism rookie autograph. So mnum, there you have it, sir.